Understanding Investment Income, a beginner's guide. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a crucial financial term, investment income. Understanding this concept can help you manage your finances better and make informed decisions. So, let's dive in and demystify investment income together. Investment income is the money you earn from investing your capital, or money, in different financial assets. These assets can be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a savings account. The main idea is that you're making your money work for you, earning additional income beyond your regular earnings. Investment income can come from various sources. Let's look at the most common ones. 1. Dividends, money paid to shareholders from a company's profits. 2. Interest, earned from savings accounts, CDs, or bonds. 3. Capital gains, profit from selling an investment for more than its purchase price. 4. Rental income, money earned from renting out property. Understanding these types can help you decide where to invest your money. Investment income is crucial for several reasons. Financial security, it can provide a steady stream of income, especially important during retirement. Wealth growth, reinvesting this income can compound your wealth over time. Inflation hedge, it can protect your purchasing power by potentially growing faster than inflation. Knowing the significance can motivate you to start or continue investing. While investment income can be lucrative, it's not without risks. Market risk, the value of your investments can go up or down. Liquidity risk, some investments may be hard to sell quickly. Interest rate risk, the value of bonds can decrease if interest rates rise. Being aware of these risks can help you make more informed investment choices. Thank you for joining us today to learn about investment income. Remember, understanding this concept is a stepping stone to financial literacy and can pave the way to a more secure financial future. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.